Welcome to United BMW of Gwinnett. There's no better place in Georgia to buy a BMW. Here's the one for you.
Welcome to the One. A celebration of the pure fun behind America's first BMW. The 128i is powered by a 3-liter 230-horsepower inline 6-cylinder engine. It features Valvetronic, valve train management, and aluminum magnesium cylinder block construction. And the 135i features BMW's twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, producing an inspiring 300 horsepower. The control console for the entertainment and climate control function is integrated smoothly and harmoniously into the dashboard, following BMW's characteristic philosophy of full driver control at all times. The BMW 1 Series features BMW Ultimate Service, a suite of service that includes the BMW Maintenance Program, roadside assistance, and the new vehicle limited warranty.
The 2011 BMW 1 Series, the fastest route to a grin.
Stop by or give us a call today. United BMW of Gwinnett is conveniently located at 3264 Commerce Avenue in Duluth, Georgia, near the Gwinnett Place Mall.